What's your name?
Dodos.
No. What's your name? My name. Dali na, oy.
My name.
Use it properly. Use it.
Ika naman.
Okay, gano'n lang. Oh, what's your name?
My name with Papa is okay, Yoseta.
How old are you?
I'm 3 old.
Years old. Where do you live?
I'm coming from Laguna.
Laguna. What is your daddy's name?
I'm Daddy.
How about mommy?
Mommy Janet.
How about papa's name?
Papa Ben.
How about mama?
Mama Gina.
How about tito?
Tita J.
And who else?
Tito. Ha?
Tito.
Kevin.
And
Tito.
daddy ni Ate Seb.
I don't know.
Oy, alam mo man yan, tito. Be. Ay, dali na. Tito. Benji. Susumbong ka taka, Tito Benji.
Hindi.
How about, what is Ate's name?
Ate Seb.
How about mami ni Ate Seb?
Tito Harry.
How about yung mami ni Kuya Uno?
Vita.
Tita, kami.
Tita Camille.
How about the other one, tita?
Ha?
Tita? Sino yung isang tita?
Si Tita.
Tita
Tita An.
Isa pa. The other one.
Tita An.
Isa pa. Kasama mo lagi mag-motorcycle.
Si Tita J.
And
Tapos si
Tita
Marshall.
J and Tita.
Ayan, tapos si Marshall.
Oh, kasama din si Marshall.
Tapos si motor.
Sa motorcycle.
Tapos ako. Ni Ate Seb.
Sa car din, Ate Seb.
Yes.
Galing.
Yes, 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 yes.